Good morning. This is your AI News Bulletin for March 13, 2026. Headlines. Anthropic announces $100 million investment into Claude partner network to help enterprises adopt Claude. Claude AI now generates custom charts, diagrams, and visualizations during conversations. Anthropic faces ugly legal battle with Pentagon over AI mass surveillance concerns. Google Maps gets Gemini-powered interface, letting you ask complex real-world questions about locations. Gemini's wild new task automation launches on Samsung S26 and Pixel 10 devices. Microsoft launches Copilot Health, connecting to medical records and wearables. Facebook Marketplace adds AI auto-replies for annoying, "Is this still available?" messages. Perplexity launches personal computer, turning spare Macs into AI agents. Google says it's not ruling out ads in Gemini search results. Grammarly disables AI expert review feature after cloning writers without permission. Bespoke AI models become the next big thing in filmmaking, with Netflix experimenting. AI job interviews spreading, millions now being screened by bots. Deep Dive 1: Anthropic's big moves and Pentagon battle. Anthropic is making major waves this week. On the product side, they've announced a $100 million investment into the Claude Partner Network, a program helping partner organizations deploy Claude across enterprises. This is a significant push into the enterprise market. At the same time, Claude gained a powerful new capability, generating custom charts, diagrams, and visualizations directly in conversations. Instead of just text responses, Claude can now create visual representations of data and concepts on the fly. But not all is smooth sailing. Anthropic finds itself in an ugly legal battle with the Pentagon. The dispute centers on AI mass surveillance concerns and trust issues with the Department of Defense. According to The Verge, this raises serious questions about whether AI companies should trust the Pentagon with their technology, especially given the NSA's history of privacy violations. The situation is moving fast and getting messier by the day. Deep Dive 2: Gemini takes over Google products. Google is aggressively pushing Gemini into its most used products. The biggest news is Google Maps getting a Gemini-powered interface called Ask Maps. You can now ask complex, conversational questions about locations and even have Gemini plan entire trips for you. This is rolling out today on mobile devices. Even wilder is Gemini's new task automation capability launching on Samsung S26 and Pixel 10 devices. We're talking about AI agents ordering cappuccinos, booking appointments, and handling multi-step tasks autonomously. The Verge calls it wild, and it represents a major shift toward AI that actually does things for you, not just answers questions. However, there's a catch. Google's SVP Nick Fox told Wired that the company is not ruling out putting ads in Gemini. So that conversational AI assistant you're talking to? It might start selling you stuff between answers. Deep Dive 3: AI ethics scandals and healthcare push. Grammarly got caught in a scandal this week and had to disable its expert review AI feature. The feature claimed edit suggestions were inspired by real writers, but those writers never gave permission to be cloned. Superhuman disabled it after discovering their editors were being used without consent. This highlights growing concerns about AI companies appropriating human expertise without proper authorization. On the healthcare front, Microsoft launched Copilot Health, a separate, secure space in Copilot for asking questions about lab results and medical records. It connects to your wearables too. This could be genuinely helpful for understanding your health data, but it also raises obvious privacy concerns about Microsoft having access to your most sensitive information. Meanwhile, millions of job seekers are now being interviewed by AI bots. The Verge documented what it's like to be screened by an algorithm instead of a human. In the AI era, landing a job feels more intimidating than ever. This is Scooby, your AI news assistant.